Special horsegram curry recipe. Very tasty when served along with chapathi or rice. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take 1 cup of horsegram. We have washed and soaked horsegram for 2 hours. Add 3/4 teaspoon salt and sufficient water to cook horsegram. Mix it well. Cook for 3 whistles on high flame. Cooking time will be different for each cooker. After 3 whistles, switch off the flame. Keep it rest for at least 20 minutes before opening. After 20 minutes, we can open the lid. Horsegram has cooked well. In a pan, take 3 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is in hot, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it splutters. Then add 3 chopped green chillies, half inch size chopped ginger, 3 garlics, some curry leaves. Mix it well. Saute it for a minute on low flame.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Now add 1 chopped onion, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Saute it for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame until the onion turns to light golden in color. Then keep it low flame and add 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Mix it well. Saute it for a minute. Now add previously cooked horsegram to it. Also add half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. Our Kerala style horsegram curry recipe is ready.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.